As you know, Timbuktu is a Pan-African program, and it actually is covering pretty much every country across the continent. And so bringing incubators from right across the continent is actually really important for us. A principle of Timbuktu is that we're not replacing the incubators and the accelerators in the market, we're actually just enriching them. So this gives us an opportunity as UNDP to convene the right players and to give them the tools and the capabilities to actually deliver on the objectives of Timbuktu.
The most important thing for us to remember is, in a continent like Africa, policy can be a kill switch. And so it is super important, the work that UNDP Timbuktu initiative is doing with policy in creating enabling environments for the full ecosystem and economic prosperity from the principle of which the Timbuktu initiative was built can only be achieved if we are supporting the full ecosystem that is comprising of market-driven, mission-driven founders who are building and solving some of the hardest problems in Africa.